Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you that I have this Arduino and LCD which is connected with the Arduino Uno, and I have this potentiometer to control the LCD, and we have two LEDs to indicate different temperatures because I have this temperature sensor which is TMP36 or LM35, and it is also connected with the Arduino. So when the temperature reaches from the certain point and it rises, the red LED will turn on. If the temperature drop down from the certain point, the green LCD will turn on. So I will start the simulation and you will see how does it works. Now the simulation has started. It displays my name and now the fan is on because the temperature is 74. So I will go to the temperature sensor, click on it, and I will try to decrease the temperature. As you can see, the temperature is dropping in real time, and when I will reach to the 35, the both LEDs are off now. When I will increase the temperature from 40 degrees centigrade, right now you can see the 38, it's 33. If I go above 40, the temperature will increase and this LED will on. If the temperature drop down from 20 degrees centigrade, that red LED will turn on. As you can see, it's now 18 and this LED is turned on and it's saying the heater is on, heater on. And if you want to turn on the fan, as the temperature rises, the fan will turn on, fan on 52 degrees centigrade. And if I will show the code, and I have set the limitation, as you can see that max temperature is 40 and minimum temperature is 20. You can change it if you want it, and I will leave the link in the description. You can go down and also copy this code and you can get the circuit diagram as well. So I will stop the simulation and subscribe my channel, help me to reach 10,000 subscribers.